He's opened up so much because you guys have so much patience with him, and that is great. So you show the same respect that you would to any other student.
We had disability awareness workshop. Our fifth graders were invited to participate in a workshop and rotated among different tables.
We are going through different scenarios to help bring light to our students and make them think about things that maybe they haven't thought about before, and really just engage in the idea of what's it like being with kids who have different needs.
Having the experience with people that aren't with disabilities and people with disability is quite fun and a loving experience.
Even if you have a disability, we're all human, and we have to respect each other. Be like respecting them and always be kind and include them.
The fact that the students were so involved and that they understood and respected that there were students that are different, and then also for them to learn how to interact with them.